YouTube channel. Today we are in Mexico, Progreso Cruise Terminal. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna show you what we have here. I'm at the cruise terminal. Okay, so this one is Disney. This one is Margarita. So I'm working here inside the ship for 5 months. 5 months from now, so I will go home in September. Yeah, so now we're in the terminal. So this ship is about to park. It's about to park here. It's gonna do something like this with these ropes. This is how they park when they go on the cruise boat. You see these ropes? They go and park here. See? Here? Yeah, so this is the next ship. Let's see. I'm gonna show you. This is Progreso, Mexico. So these guys, they come here, and whenever we want to take a picture, you can take a photo with these guys. Yeah, but they need money. You can take a picture with your phone, and then you can give them something, $1, $5, $20, any amount you want. They are dressing up like this. Look, look. This is me. Let me go talk to my friend. They go inside. Is it because of the new ship? The guys
Stay here. Yeah.
let you
Stay.
stay, right?
Yeah. This is because people start to come. And you there they will see you. So your guests will stop for you. But all the Disney will stop right here. So what can I do here?
Meet my friend, guys. Meet my friend.
Hello, your video call can attend me.
My son.
Hello my friends, how you doing?
Hello, guys. This is
I
my
love
friend.
Kazo, the best
Say, I want you to say Magadini.
Magadini.
Means how are you?
Magadini. Ay. Now my turn. Say tudo bem
Tudo bem?
means Magani.
Oh, tudo bem?
Yes.
How are you?
How are you? How is you in your language?
How are you? In my language, what do you say?
Why you teach me Maganini?
Magadini.
Magadini.
How are
say?
you?
What do you say? How you doing?
So we just stay and then we keep on.
Yeah. But
watching.
you're not excused for drill, right?
Yeah.
So we
yeah.
enter. We enter in
I'm here until 11.
10
11,
minutes.
11.
Oh, you stay. You're
Yeah, I'll
excused.
stay, I'll stay here.
Good luck for you.
I stay here. I will go back there. Just finish.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Disney. They just come now. This one, it's Margarita Village Sea. So guys, if anyone who wants to work on a cruise ship, you can message me and I will let you know what you need to do, everything, the whole process. I will let you know. If you are working on a cruise ship, you work like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, yeah, working on this ship. So all these ships, they travel like different places, different islands, a lot of location, uh, in America, Europe, wherever. Africa also, yeah. I'm from Africa, Zimbabwe. I love my country. I love to travel. I love to work on a cruise ship. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how it's like and how it looks like when the ship dock like this. You see these people? They're pulling ropes. They're pulling ropes from the ship going on these things. You see those red things? So they put those ropes on those red things. Let me zoom if I can see. Yeah. So they're gonna do something like this. You see these ropes? You see these ropes? If they do like this, which means the ship when it's docked like this, it doesn't move. Just keep watching. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching. Okay, let me go closer. Let me go closer. Show you guys. Let me go closer. Disney. It's Disney, right? Yeah, it's Disney. Yeah, Disney. We have Disney and Margarita here. We have these people. If you wanna take a photo with these people, you come. You take a picture with your phone. You give them money, whatever you have. So this is how they do. You see those ropes? They're pulling the ropes, okay, from the ship going outside here, like this one. They put the ropes here, okay? They make it round like this. You see? Hello guys. Yeah, yeah. No, this is not big ship. It's small ship. There are more bigger ship like this. No, this one is small, guys. This one is small. There's more big ships. This one is small. So this ship, it contains like 2.6 guests, 2.6 people. Yeah, it's similar also with this, around 2,000, 3,000 people. Yeah, you see it's moving. You see? ship is small, guys. The ship is small. They are both small. They're both small. Yeah. You see this, guys. Oh my God. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. This place is Progreso, Mexico. We are in Mexico, guys. This is Mexico. Mexico, yes. Alright guys, I think you have seen enough. Thank you for watching this video. I will go now. Alright, thank you. I tried to apply on this ship. I tried to apply on this ship. It's hard to get job.
Yeah.
It's really hard. But it's nice, no? It's a good company.
Yeah, but they say that you work too much, like a
Really?
horse in a photo team. Yeah,
Oh,
because it's Disney. Everybody take photo all the time, so you have no rest.
okay.
You don't do gangway. You don't have gangway. Never.
Only inside.
Only inside. And when you are on the island, they have their own island. You work on the island. You work inside the water with the
I
camera.
we do the same with the Misfit.
Oh yeah.
They,
Underwater.
yeah, man. They give you a schedule to go inside the water and take picture. They also have the island, oh my son.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, in Costa we never did this. Thank God. Also here, here is sweet life.
Yeah,
Here too much money, less
yeah,
work.
yeah, sure.
Brother, I will enter.
Alright, see you, brother.
See you.
See you later. Mexico, guys. We are in Mexico. Progreso Cruise Post. Progreso Cruise Terminal. Progreso, Mexico. We have Disney here. We have Margarita Valley here.